Tiny but mighty. Golden berries aren't just a superfood trend. They are packed with nutrients that your body will thank you for. Today, we'll explore everything you need to know about golden berries, from health benefits to proper usage. Now, what are golden berries? Golden berries, also called Physalis peruviana, are small, bright orange fruits with a tangy taste, originally from South America. These berries are gaining global attention for their impressive health properties. They become oranges, like golden in color when they are ripe, but when they are growing and start to bear the fruits, it's greenish in colors. Let's talk about the health benefits of the golden berries. What do they contain? How do they are they beneficial to our health? Yes, golden berries are rich in antioxidants, vitamin C, and bioactive compounds. Here's how they help your body system. They help your body system in ways like supporting your immune system because of the high vitamin C contents in them. They may reduce inflammation in the body, helping with joint and heart health. Studies suggest that they can help control blood sugar levels naturally and traditionally. Fibers in golden berries promote healthy digestion. Research shows that golden berries have compounds that may fight certain bacteria and fungi, but they are not replacement for prescribed antibiotics. Yes, but I will say they are naturally antibiotics. They are not a replacement for the prescribed, that is the over-the-counter drugs that could be prescribed as antibiotics. Golden berries can be eaten fresh, dried, or added to smoothies, salads, or desserts. A typical serving is about a small handful daily. Always consult a doctor if you plan to use them for medical purposes, especially if you are on medication. Are they antibiotics? That's the question people or you may ask. I haven't heard people asking. While golden berries have natural antimicrobial properties, I beg your pardon, they are not antibiotics. They can help support your body's defenses, but serious infections require proper medical treatment. So, if you are looking for a tasty, natural way to boost your health, golden berries are worth adding to your diet. Try them today and let nature do the work for your wellness. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and always hit the bell for more health tips from Yaraz. Thank you. See you next time.